There is no fuselage to enter.
They're standing on it. All 10 right side, fine.
Precision navigation hides magnitude.
The shape comes before the aircraft. Men yani som sagt kan det race the same thing again.
The B-2 does not begin as an airplane, and it begins as material.
Every curve is decided before a single system exists.
Stealth is engineered into the shape, not added later.
This aircraft is built from the inside outward.
Every layer exists to disappear from radar.
The B-2 begins with carbon fiber and resin. Every fiber is oriented to absorb radar waves. The wing spans wider than any human can reach.
The internal structure spreads systems across the wing, not a central fuselage.
Robots handle layers with micron-level precision to maintain stealth integrity. Every section is cross-checked for radar-absorbent accuracy. Each edge is perfected to maintain its radar-absorbent stealth geometry.
There is no central body. Everything is distributed across the wing.
The structure must support weight without reflecting radar. Even electrical systems are designed to remain invisible. Every internal system must conform to the wing shape. Every internal component is verified before the wing is sealed.
The aircraft is sealed without traditional rivets.
Stealth depends on uninterrupted geometry. Heat signatures are managed long before the engines are installed. Nothing on the surface is allowed to reflect.
This coating absorbs radar instead of reflecting it.
Light itself behaves differently on stealth surfaces. Every square foot must behave identically under radar. Air is removed to create a perfectly uniform stealth surface. The B-2 wing slowly emerges, meticulously layered for total stealth. The B-2 wing slowly emerges, meticulously layered for total stealth.
Each edge is perfected to maintain its radar-absorbent stealth geometry.
Traditional fasteners are avoided to preserve stealth.
All wiring is embedded to avoid radar exposure.
Avionics are spread across the wing instead of a cockpit bay.
The aircraft grows internally before it ever flies.
Once internal systems are secured, and the wing begins to close.
Any surface break would reveal the aircraft to radar.
The wing is sealed as a single stealth volume.
Even microscopic imperfections are corrected.
The final step of stealth begins with the surface itself.
The material is engineered at a microscopic level.
The coating must cure perfectly to remain effective. Every square foot must behave identically under radar.
A continuous form preserves the design intent.
At this stage, the design achieves its lowest observable state.
After surface treatment comes absolute structural precision.
Every panel must align within extremely tight tolerances.
Even fasteners are designed to disappear.
Assembly becomes choreography at industrial scale.
Surface continuity preserves low observability. Optical systems confirm absolute alignment. Data determines when assembly is complete.
Uniformity can be felt, not seen.
This is not simple assembly. It is form-shaped for discretion.
Assembly concludes. Validation begins.
Every system is activated with minimal signature.
Every system is activated with minimal signature. Every system is activated with minimal signature.
Every system is activated with minimal signature. Critical systems remain protected within layered architecture.
Systems communicate without visual exposure.
Low observable performance is evaluated before movement.
Airflow is shaped to avoid detection.
Movement follows geometry, not visibility.
The outer surface is tested as carefully as internal systems.
Signals respond differently to this shape.
Before motion, the design must first remain unseen.
The aircraft meets daylight for the first time.
Sunlight reveals nothing unintended. Every seam is treated as a signal risk.
Scale is controlled through precision. Thermal discretion is engineered, not assumed.
Power reveals itself only at close range.
Even ground contact is engineered for release.
What remains unseen is now complete.
Before motion, the ground must respond.
Nothing restrains it now.
Motion begins quietly.
Power is carefully released.
The wing moves like a shadow.
The moment is held deliberately.
Motion is no longer theoretical.
Controlled motion transitions to lift.
Lift initiates without revealing signature.
The aircraft rises with calculated grace.
Pilot and machine become one.
The aircraft glides over territory unseen.
Precision navigation hides magnitude. Every surface moves as if sculpted.
The first flight proves invisibility in motion.